A leaf is defined as an organ of a plant that is green and flat, growing laterally on a plant. Functions. Number 1. It carries out a process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process whereby green plants convert simple compounds like carbon dioxide into complex compounds like carbohydrates by the use of sunlight to form carbohydrates. Carbohydrates that are fed on by all the living organisms. Function number 2. Leaves facilitate gaseous exchange. Gaseous exchange is a process whereby respiratory gases diffuse to reach the respiratory surface, i.e. carbon dioxide and oxygen. Function number 3 of a leaf, it acts as a storage organ. After the process of photosynthesis, the food that is manufactured is stored in various organs, and the leaf being one of the organs, it serves as a storage organ. A very good example is those edible leaves. External structure of a leaf. Leaves have two parts. We have the leaf blade. It is also called the lamina. It is generally broad and flat. It contains the prominent midrib that at the center, which is the main vein, where smaller. The second part of a leaf is called the petiole or the leaf sheath. It is a stalk-like structure that attaches the blade to the stem or a branch. Leaves are categorized into two main groups. Number 1, we have what we call simple leaf. Simple leaf, the lamina is undivided. Even if there are small divisions, they do not reach the midrib and divide the lamina. There are two types of simple leaves. Number 1, we have monocotyledonous leaf, and number 2, we have dicotyledonous leaf. Differences between dicot and monocot leaves. Number 1, a monocot leaf has a leaf sheath, whereas a dicot leaf has a leaf petiole. Number 2, a monocot leaf has parallel venation, while a dicot leaf has a network venation. Difference number 3, a monocot leaf has a narrow lamina or blade, while a dicot leaf has a wide lamina or blade. The second category of leaves is called compound leaves. Here, the leaf blade is divided from the midrib into two or more parts. Sometimes this divided part serves as separate leaves. Names of leaves basing on the attachment on a branch or a stem. Number 1, we have what we call alternate arrangement. Here, the leaves alternate at the point of attachment on a stem, such that if the lower leaf is on the left, the higher leaf will be on the right. Then the second name is what we call opposite arrangement. The two leaves attaches on a stem at the same point, but directly opposite to each other. Number 3, we have what we call pinnate leaves. Here, the blade of a leaf is divided from the midrib to form distinct leaflets. Number 4, we have what we call bipinnate leaves. Here, it consists of several pinnate leaves that are attached to the central midrib. All of them are attached to a branch or a stem. Then type number 5, we have what we call whorled. Here, more than 3 leaves attaches a stem at a particular point around it, or around the stem, or that particular point. Then number 6, we have what we call trifoliate type. It is just one leaf that has 3 leaflets, and then it is attached to the stem. Then number 7, we have what we call palmate. It is one leaf that has 5 leaflets, and it is attached to the stem or a branch.